I gotta talk to myself. It's hard for me to say this, but it's coming from my heart.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw in the title, we're going to be doing faux locks. So as you can see, my hair is braided up. This is how I stretch my hair. And now you're gonna see when I take out the braids, like this would have been a bomb twist out. Well, bomb braid out. But don't mind my face right here. I'm kind of sad that I'm having postpartum shedding and it's affecting my edges, but I'm gonna go back. Yeah, I really love the bounce of my hair, but I'm gonna do these faux locks because I don't want to do this every day. So we're gonna be using the Bobbi Boss New Locks in the color 2, and I got it in 24 inches. And this is how I went and separated my hair just to make myself more organized. And the method I'm going to be using is the Nicole method. So here I'm going to insert a clip to show you just what I'm going to be doing. I did speed it up a little. So what I'm going to be using in my hair, African shea butter, and the Meet L rosemary mint and scaffing hair oil. And look who I got, my baby girl. She was crying, she woke up, but daddy's going to take her now. And I'm going to basically make her bottle. And then we're going to get to this hair. So as you can see here, I have a section, and I'm going to split this into 2. And you're going to take the lock, and you're going to open where the crochet hole is, and you're going to loop it into one of the sides that you just separated. So once that's in, you're going to create a braid. So basically the braid is going to help hold the faux lock inside your hair. I really hope this makes sense, and I hope I'm not going too fast. So you're just going to braid down, and then when you get to a certain point, you are going to twist the rest of your hair down. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. So we split the section into 2. We take the faux lock and loop it into one of those sides that you separated. You're going to braid it in. Braid your hair all the way down, start to twist, and look who's sleeping next to me as I'm doing all of this. I love those swings. They let me do everything. But anyway, back to the hair. Now once you got your braid, you're going to now open up the faux lock, and you're basically going to wrap the hair around your hair. Now I know there's a lot of different other methods where you can do this, but I saw that this method made it look very natural, and that's the look that I was going for. So once you you just wrap the hair around your hair until you get to the ends. I like to just do the prayer hands at the end just to make sure my ends are in really good. And there's your faux lock. So yeah, this hairstyle is very lightweight. I had this in for about like 4 weeks. And as you can tell, I really, really love it. They look so natural. I always wanted to see what my hair would look like with dreads, so I think this is a great alternative. And don't forget to slick your edges down, girl. Don't forget. Yeah, so this is the end. I hope you guys like this mini tutorial, basically, and I hope you guys try it out if you want to do some protective styling. I will see you all in my next video.